Bunch O balloons for sensational summer fun. Ultimate water balloon battles and so much more. Fill them up in super speedy time. Snap off and get the party started. How about this noodle splash pool? Not much time? No problem. No stress. Make it in a splash. Watertight for water fun. So we've got our surrounds ready. Let's grab the tarp. In next to no time, the kids will be making a dash for a splash. Wait there 1 minute. Okay, let's start crafting. Here we go. We all need a little support from time to time. What an affordable way to party in the sun! Get filling those Bunch O balloons! We're gonna need a stack! Can you believe it? You can fill and tie 100 balloons in 60 seconds! Awesome! No more filling individual balloons, more time for splash fun! Slice to size and slip them on. Safety always comes first. And we're ready to fill. Bunch O balloons will transform this pool into a blast. The more the merrier. Wow, now that's brimming with Bunch O balloons. Hey kids, come and try the pool out. Whilst they're busy, let's get the shark slide and splash ready. Fill with water and let it flow for the sprinkler system. Pump the platform and more Bunch O balloons. Here we go! Slide, splash, and smash those Bunch O balloons! Watch out! Incoming! Bunch O balloons for the best water balloon battle you'll ever have! These fast-filling, self-tying balloons make every party go with a bang! Here's an amazing hack to keep your drinks cool all day. Freeze them and pop them into a bucket. And you've got extra large ice balloons! Wow! There's a mountain of fun to have with Bunch O balloons. Everyone will have a blast!